Designer secrets for how to put lights on a Christmas tree. One of the first steps in decorating a Christmas tree, whether fresh or artificial, should be putting on the Christmas lights. People often do not add enough lights or add them incorrectly, which does not illuminate the Christmas tree like it should. Designers know that you should have a good base layer of Christmas lights, but then add on to the base layer to make the Christmas tree extra special. Here are some interior designer tips, tricks, and secrets for how to put lights on a Christmas tree, even if you are using a pre-lit tree this year. The base layer. You will need standard mini string lights in a transparent, translucent clear, or white color for creating the base layer of lights on your Christmas tree. Multicolored Christmas lights have more of a juvenile appearance, so interior designers prefer to not use colored lights unless decorating a Christmas tree with a juvenile theme. One other time that designers use multicolored lights is when decorating a Christmas tree with vintage-inspired colorful ornaments for a retro feel. You might choose Christmas string lights of a certain color to emphasize the color scheme, such as pink Christmas lights on an all-pink Christmas tree, or green Christmas lights on an all-green Christmas tree. However, simple clear or white lights work best on most Christmas trees. Purchase a minimum of one strand of 100 lights per foot height of tree. For example, a 7-foot tall Christmas tree would get 7 strands of lights, an 8-foot tall Christmas tree would get 8 strands of lights, and a 9-foot tall Christmas tree would get 9 strands of lights. Designers know that the base layer of Christmas lights should all be identical size, color, and shape. The base layer of lights should not blink or flash or do anything fancy but be continuously lit for the best results. Be aware that white Christmas lights come in cool white, warm white, pure white, and other white colors, so make sure that your lights are all of the same white color from the same manufacturer and do not mix them up, else you will get a Christmas tree that looks a bit weird because it is different colors. Cool white lights tend to have a blue tint to them, and warm white lights have a more yellow tint to them, so select whatever color white you prefer. Most interior designers prefer a warm white since it is close to the color of a candle flame and makes a home feel more cozy. If you have a traditional green Christmas tree, you should use lights with a green wire. If you have a white Christmas tree, you should use lights with a white wire. If you have older Christmas string lights, you might want to consider upgrading to the newer LED lights. Older Christmas lights were mostly made with incandescent bulbs, but most newer Christmas string lights are made with LED bulbs. The LED bulb lights use less electricity, and you can string many more together than the older lights without worrying about overloading your circuit or causing a fire. LED Christmas string lights also tend to be more durable than the old glass incandescent ones, which can easily break if you drop them on the ground or accidentally step on them. Incandescent bulbs also produce a bit of heat, which might not be desirable. The benefits of using incandescent string lights over LED lights is that they are usually a bit cheaper to buy and tend to produce a little bit brighter light than LEDs. Make sure they all work. Before putting the lights on your Christmas tree, make sure that they are all working. Check to see if you might need a power strip if you need to plug in multiple strands, and maybe an extension cord if your outlet is not near your Christmas tree. Consider how you will turn on and off your Christmas tree lights, since you probably don't want to crawl under your Christmas tree to reach the outlet. You might want to use a smart plug or another device to be able to easily turn the lights on and off. Add the lights. Christmas lights should be added to your Christmas tree before any decorations are added. Start with one strand of lights plugged in. Instead of having a big long tail of Christmas lights that keeps getting tangled, create a ball of your Christmas light string to make decorating easier. Start at the end of the lights and wrap the lights into a ball that will allow you to hold all of the lights in your hand as you decorate and not get them tangled in the branches. Keep the lights powered while putting them on your tree so you will immediately know if there is a problem so you can fix it. You should start adding your Christmas lights on the bottom back of your Christmas tree. Pick one of your Christmas tree branches, then apply the lights from the trunk of that branch to the tip of that branch, then back to the trunk of the same branch. Next, go across the trunk of the tree to the next closest branch and repeat the process. After each of the lowest branches are covered, move the lights up the trunk to the next level of branches and start again until you have reached the very top of your Christmas tree. Do not only apply the Christmas lights around the outside of the tree, else the inside will be dark like a black hole. Add specialty lights. The designer secret for making your Christmas tree lights look spectacular is to add special lights after your base layer of Christmas lights is complete. You can add one or more of the following options to customize your Christmas tree lights. The first designer lighting option for additional Christmas lights is to add cluster string lights on top of your base layer of lights. Cluster string lights are manufactured differently than regular string lights because the lights are much closer together. Think of these lights as a Christmas garland when putting them on your Christmas tree. A popular way of attaching them is in a barber pole method wrapped in a spiral around the outside of your tree. Cluster string lights are also a good choice for illuminating garlands, so you can get many lights without a lot of wires. The second designer Christmas lighting option is to add a bit of gentle, slow twinkling lights, but make sure to not use traditional flashing lights that can be very harsh and not relaxing. You can add 1 or 2 strands of 100 clear or white slow twinkling lights to a standard 7-foot tall Christmas tree. Taller trees can have more than 2 strands. Wrap the lights evenly yet randomly throughout your Christmas tree. Make sure to wrap them inside and out, left and right, and top and bottom. The third designer Christmas lighting option is to add 1 or 2 strands of 100 slightly larger bulb white or clear string lights throughout the branches of your Christmas tree to add dimension and variety. C7, G30, and globe sizes work well. These lights give a dimension to your Christmas tree and add interest to your lighting display. A fourth designer Christmas lighting option is to use smart Christmas lights. These lights allow you to be able to easily change and customize the lighting on your Christmas tree depending on your mood or activity. Newer smart Christmas lights link to an app on your phone and can do some amazing tricks. Some smart Christmas lights will sync to music and flash to the beat. They often offer millions of color variations and can put on a mesmerizing light show inside your home. A fifth Christmas lighting idea is to use Christmas lights that look like candles. These are especially popular when designers want to have their Christmas tree look either vintage or couture. You can use individual battery-powered candles or candles on a string light. The candles can be spread evenly throughout the tree or clustered for an asymmetrical artistic look. Some people like to hang the candles from the ceiling with fishing line to look like they are floating. The sixth Christmas lighting idea is to get really bright for added drama. If you really want to light up your Christmas tree, feel free to add another set of basic string lights on top of the first set of basic string lights. You can use a different color white light for added dimension if you cover the entire Christmas tree in the new color. Feel free to add up to 5 strands of Christmas lights per foot height of tree if you really want your Christmas tree to glow and be the center of attention. Keep in mind that many of the lights will be covered with Christmas ornaments, so your Christmas tree will not be nearly as bright once it is decorated. The seventh Christmas tree lighting idea is to move around the Christmas lights slightly after you have added your Christmas ornaments to light certain special ornaments from the front. Having all of your lights behind your special ornaments will not showcase them like a light from the top and another from the bottom in front of the ornament. Simply find the closest light and adjust it a bit to position it the way you like. You can find links to all of the lighting options that I mentioned in the description below this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to be inspired with more interior design content, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure to click the bell icon to get notified of new videos and be involved in our community of interior design enthusiasts.
Merry Christmas!